Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you on the steps on how to configure your profile on the business management tool. So once you have typed in www.bmt.co.zm, you reach our landing page here, and then at this particular point, you'd have to click user login. And if you're new to the BMT, you'd have to put in your number, and of course you will not receive an OTP if you're new to the system. But if you're not new to the system, you will receive your OTP number via SMS as well as email. So be sure to check your spam as well. So once I put in my number, and in this particular case, I'm going to act like this is my first time accessing the BMT. So let me put in my number. And then once I click login, you'll notice that as I'm directed, or rather redirected to the home page, the BMT will notify me that my profile is not configured yet. And if my profile is not configured yet, I will not be able to use any of these features listed on my left. So I will click here to fix this, and then I will now put in my business name, my description, the description of my business, the TPIN, the email, and I will also select my province. I'll select the segment, my business category, and I will select my subscription package. I will then also select all the taxes that apply to my business. And then if maybe I do not have the time to actually put in my NIMA, my NAPSA, and my PACRA details, I can simply go back and edit my profile. But once I put in all these details, for instance, I will show you. If let's say I'm going to say test, and then my description is also test, and of course on your end you'd have to put in the correct details. My email will also be test@gmail, and then I will select my province to be Lusaka, my segment to be either ABSA Business Banking member, ABSA Women and Youth member, or ABSA Livingston Hub member. And then for instance, I will click the first option, and I'll select my business category to be agribusiness. Just as an example, I'll select my subscription package, either advanced, basic, standard, or ultimate. And then I will also click maybe value added tax as my tax. And then I would say I'll come back later and put in my NIMA, my NAPSA, and my PACRA details. And then I'll